Hello students, in this video we will see some application based problems related to our topic inequation. See, very interesting problem. IQ of a person is given by the formula IQ is equal to MA upon CA into 100, where MA is mental age and CA is chronological age. And there is a relation 80 lesser than or equal to IQ or lesser than equal to 140 for a group of 12-year children. Find the range of their mental age. We have to find the range of their mental age. First of all, we will see the given condition. Given condition is 80 lesser than or equal to IQ lesser than 140. See, there is a relation for IQ, that is IQ will equal to MA upon CA into 100. So in place of IQ, you may write MA means mental age upon chronological age into 100 lesser than or equal to 140. See, for a group of 12-year children, 12 years means that is the chronological age. So in place of CA, that is chronological age, you may write 12 into 100, that is 140. See, in the middle part, MA means mental age upon 12 into 100. So, to remove this 12, we will multiply each term by 12. So, here you will have 12 into 80. Here 12 and 12 will be divided. So, you will have only mental age into 100 lesser than or equal 140 into 12. Okay. See, that is 12 into 80, that is mental age into 100, that is 140 into 12. See, we will divide both the side by 100, 12 into 80 by 100. Here, when we will divide this term by 100, finally we will have only mental age 140 into 12 divide by 100, that is 9.6. mental age 16.8 after solving. This is the range of mental age of 12-year children. Okay, this is the practical based problem. Now see another practical based problem, that is problem number 2. What is the problem? The cost and revenue of a product are given by Cx, that is the function, 2x plus 400 and Rx means revenue function is 6x plus 20 respectively. Where x is the number of items produced by the manufacturer. How many items the manufacturer must sell to realize some profit. This is the problem. See, the cost and revenue of a product are given by Cx is equal to 2x plus 400 and Rx is equal to 6x plus 20 respectively, where x is the number of items produced by the manufacturer. How many items the manufacturer must sell to realize some profit? See, a relation that is profit is equal to revenue, that is revenue function, minus cost function. So, for profit it is necessary revenue function must be greater than cost function. Okay, revenue function is given here 2x plus 400 and cost function, revenue function is now see revenue function is 6x plus 20 and cost function is 2x plus 400. Now transfer the terms from right hand side to left hand side. This way 6x, this 2x will transfer to left hand side, that is minus 2x, and here 400, and this plus 20 will transfer to right hand side, that is minus 20. Here you will have 4x is greater than 380. Therefore, x is greater than 380 divided by 4, that is 4 9s are 36, 2, that is 20, that is x is greater than 95. It means manufacturers must sell more than 95 items to realize some profit. These are the some application based problems. Okay.